Today, I'll walk you through how to add a background color to notes in OneNote, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to customize your notes with vibrant colors so you can enhance your organization and improve readability. Let's get started. First, open OneNote and navigate to the notebook you want to modify. This is like opening the door to your creative workspace. Once you're in the right notebook, look for the View tab at the top of your screen. This is where the magic begins. Now click on View. This will reveal a set of options that will help you customize your notes. Among these options, look for Page Color. It's usually located in the ribbon at the top. When you find it, go ahead and click on it. This action will open a palette of colors for you to choose from. Think of it as selecting paint for your canvas. Next, you can choose among the available colors. Take your time to explore the options, as this is your chance to make your notes visually appealing. If you want something a bit more unique, you can also select More Colors. This option allows you to pick a personalized color that suits your style. It's like mixing your own paint to get the perfect shade. While selecting a color, keep in mind that readability is key. Choose a color that enhances the text rather than distracts from it. A good rule of thumb is to opt for softer tones that provide contrast with your text color. This ensures that your notes are easy to read. Once you've selected a color, it's important to check how it looks in both day and night mode. To do this, click on Switch Background. This feature allows you to see how your chosen color will appear in different lighting conditions. It's similar to testing how a new outfit looks in both sunlight and artificial light. And there you have it. You've successfully added a background color to your notes in OneNote. This simple customization can make a significant difference in how you interact with your notes. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.